Have you ever wondered how your favorite fashion brands predict the next big trend? Or perhaps how they manage to recommend clothes that match your style so perfectly? Welcome to the world of AI in the fashion industry. Artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI, has been weaving its way into the fabric of the fashion industry, revolutionizing how things are done. It's like a backstage crew, silently running the show, making things smoother, faster, and more efficient. Imagine a world where AI helps fashion brands predict the next big trend, allowing them to be ahead of the curve. Or consider a shopping experience so personalized, it's as if the store knows your style better than you do. And it doesn't stop there. AI is also playing a significant role in managing inventories efficiently and promoting sustainable practices. As we can see, AI is becoming a game changer in the fashion industry, but how exactly does it work? Let's delve into a real-life case study. Consider Stitch Fix, a personal styling service that uses artificial intelligence to revolutionize the way you shop. This isn't your typical online retailer. Stitch Fix is changing the game by using AI to offer a truly personalized shopping experience. Let's delve into how this works. The magic begins when you fill out a style profile on their website. Here, you provide information about your fashion preferences, sizes, and budget. This data is then processed by their AI algorithms to understand your unique style and needs. But the AI's work doesn't stop there. It continuously learns from your feedback on each shipment. Did you love the pair of jeans but not the blouse? The AI takes note. Did you request more formal wear for your upcoming events? The AI remembers. Through this feedback loop, the AI refines its understanding of your style and preferences over time. Moreover, Stitch Fix's AI also takes into consideration global fashion trends and seasonality. It analyzes countless data points from the fashion industry to keep your style up to date and season appropriate. And here's the cherry on top. All these analyzed data points help Stitch Fix curate a personalized box of clothing items just for you. Imagine a box filled with clothes that fit your style, size, and budget, delivered right to your doorstep. Through the power of AI, Stitch Fix has managed to create a unique, personalized shopping experience for each of its customers. No more endless scrolling or fitting room frustrations. With Stitch Fix, shopping becomes a breeze. So, what can we take away from all this? Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the fashion industry. It's helping to predict trends, tailoring shopping experiences to individual preferences, and streamlining inventory management. Moreover, it's driving sustainability initiatives, reducing waste, and promoting responsible consumption. AI's influence extends beyond the runway and the retail store, seeping into every corner of the industry. AI is not just a buzzword in the fashion industry, it's a powerful tool that's reshaping the way we shop and the future of fashion as we know it.